Do you know many people are having trouble with changing their ink cartridges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate cover. Ensure your printer is powered on, then locate the ink tank cover on the side. Step 2. Open cover. Open the ink tank cover to reveal the compartments inside the printer. Step 3. Identify tank. Identify the black ink tank compartment. It's often marked with a black cap or label. Step 4. Fit nozzle. Securely fit the ink bottle nozzle into the black tank opening to prevent spills. Step 5. Fill end close. Gently squeeze the bottle to fill the tank up to the maximum level and close the cover. Now, your Canon MAXIFY GX4020 is ready with its new black ink. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.